Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into the Google account that has recording privileges. This matters because only organizers or permitted users can record. Once signed in, create or join the meet and set your camera, mic, and layout so the recording captures the right view. Now, click More, select Record Meeting, and confirm participant consent. Do this early so the recording captures introductions. It also avoids missing the first slide and prevents needing to splice clips later. Once recording has started, present your content using Present Now. Pick your entire screen for slides plus pointer, window for a single app, or Chrome tab when you need system audio. Make sure to pin or spotlight the presenter so the recording focuses on the right video. Mute background mics to reduce noise. If you switch sources or break between sections, use pause and resume to avoid extra edits. Also watch the red recording indicator and chat for links or questions. When you're done, click More and stop recording. The file is processed and saved to the organizer's Google Drive in a Meet Recordings folder, which is why you should confirm the correct account before starting. Once available, rename or trim the capture and adjust share permissions. Copy the link or download the MP4 for editing. If the file doesn't appear, check drive storage, verify the account used had recording rights, and look in the trash or shared folders. That single troubleshooting check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.